Hello students, welcome to my micro lecture. Today we will be going over Roman numerals. Today's topic, there are three sections that we'll be going over in our table of contents. We have 1. Where are Roman numerals found? And with this, we will be going over a couple of examples where Roman numerals are found. 2. Why are they used? We'll be going over why Roman numerals are used. And 3. We'll be going over how are they used and how they can help. And in this, we will be going over why they are helpful and how we use them. In our first section, where are they found? We will be going over a few examples of Roman numerals and where they are found in our life around us. You can see here we have 3 images, one showing this is a building and it's marked up showing when it was built. This can be easily shown with the Roman numerals and the factors AD, meaning after death. And this clock is an easy example of simple Roman numerals being used to show time. Over on the right, we have another building founded in New York, and it's showing us where Roman numerals are, how they can help us distinguish when it was made. Over here, we have a few more examples, 3 more examples to be exact. And this is a clock that is built in London, and it shows more Roman numerals being able to tell us the time. And over here we have a dice deck. Each dice is shown by its value with Roman numerals. And here on the right we have a coin, and it could show us that over here we can see 4 eyes, meaning 4. Is great use for keeping track of things. 2. Now we will be going over our second section of why are they used, and we will be going over why Roman numerals are used. Why do we use Roman numerals, you may ask? Why do we still use Roman numerals? They were popular over 2,000 years ago. One reason that comes to mind is that Roman numerals may lead to a touch of gravitas, making a clock or film, for example, look a bit classier of the historical association with ancient Rome. When do we use it? They are used when numbering bullet points to identify kings, queens, and popes. Roman numerals use 7 different Latin letters to indicate numbers. How do we use it? In Roman numerals, alphabet used to represent the fixed positive numbers. These Roman numerals are 1, 2, 3, IV, V, V1, V2, V3, IX, and X. These represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After the 10 Roman numerals, they were followed by X1 for 11, X2 for 12, X3 for 13, till XX for 20. And for 3, how are they used and how they can help us go over simpler places and how we can use them in our everyday lives. Now let's say we have this building here, and the letters are A, D, M, C, M, X, X, I, I. At first you might think they're random letters, but they actually have real meaning behind them. Take the AD for example. For most people, this is a placeholder for after death of Jesus Christ. Now, after we see the letters M, C, M, X, X, I. Over on the right, we have a photo here that shows the values of each letter in Roman numerals. How might you solve this using Roman numerals? I'll give you a few seconds to decide. That's right. Over here, we have the equation MCMXII equals M plus M minus C plus X plus X plus 1 plus 1. That equals 1,000 plus 1,000 minus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. Hence, it being 1922. The value of Roman numerals is 1922. So in short, the building was made in 1992 AD. Here's the image all over again. Now, you see this clock here we have. Maybe that was a little too hard. Maybe let's look into something easier. This clock is another form of Roman numerals. Each Roman numeral could be used to show a time, 1 indicated as I and 6 indicated as VI. Now over here we have another example. Now can you tell me how we get this? Great job. X is 10, so 3 x's is 30. And like this, we remember the clock. Like this, we need to remember the clock. See, when the VI is indicated as 6. So we add the two numbers together, 30 and 6, and we get 36. Now, great job. You've mastered Roman numerals.